It was one of those things that there weren't a lot of opportunities or jobs out there. If they would have came up, I would have taken, but this has got to be the top of the list.
Jay, what kind of training have you been doing the past 4 months or so, and how was your shoulder that you had repaired in December?
Oh, it's good. It's good. I mean, in December, by March, I was cleared on that one. So, I'm a little bit behind these guys. I mean, they've been going through training camp and stuff like that. So, I'm not quite there yet, but it won't take me long. Like you said, the last 4 months I've been in a different mode, different mindset, getting ready for the Fox deal, and it was really, pretty good with where I was in my life. I was around the kids a lot, and felt pretty content. So weighed back and forth on this. I'd probably say my wife Kristen probably talked me into it more than anybody else could.
What is it about Adam that makes you guys click so much?
I think he's really good. I think he's really good at his job. He takes care of quarterbacks, kind of look at his track record of where he's been. Even whenever I met him in Detroit, he was always learning and getting better. San Fran, Denver, everywhere he's been around quarterbacks, they've been successful.
Jay, did you say your wife wanted you to play? She was pushing you to play?
Yeah, I think she got tired of me around the house. It was a little different. So, I think she saw it from a different lens and saw kind of what kind of opportunity this was, and she was all for it. It's a young team, I think mixed in with some really good vets, playoff team from last year. It's got a lot of dudes. The offensive side, you got a lot of guys that can make some plays from the backfield, wide receiver, tight ends, offensive line. They lost Teddy, last week, so that's going to hurt a little bit. But it's a very, very talented roster. I'm going into one day. I got to. You got a lot of things I got to process and get used to. I was in one place for 8 years, so this is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be a transition period. I just want to get to this next meeting, figure out where the dinner room is, and then we'll start learning the offense and learning some guys' names. It's tough. It's tough. I've been injured before. I know what that feeling is like a quarterback, to be hurt and not be able to help your team, and you kind of feel isolated a little bit, like an outcast. So it's hard, and I wish Ryan the best through whatever decision he has to make, and I'm sure he's going to come back stronger.
Guys, good.